Welcome back, students. As you know, we are doing word problems today. That is word problems related to fractions, and in my previous video I have done question number 1 and question number 2, following the steps that we have to take while solving word problems. So here is question number 3. So I'm going to read this question. That is, for a school gala, a group of students made 10 whole 3 by 4 liters of lemonade, and at the end of the program they had 1 whole 1 by 4 liters left over. How many liters of lemonade were used? So I am going to solve this word problem step by step. So first I will circle the numbers or fractions that are involved in this word problem. So the first fraction is 10 whole 3 by 4, and the second fraction is 1 whole 1 by 4. So I have circled the numbers or fractions here in this word problem. The second step is that you have to underline the question, and the question is how many liters of lemonade were used, right? कि कितना लेमोनेड जो है वो यूज हुआ है. ठीक है, टोटल लेमोनेड कितना था 10 whole 3 by 4, and after the program 1 whole 1 by 4 was left over. So the third thing is you have to circle the keywords, and I have discussed keywords in the start of the video. So here the keyword is leftover, and you know, whenever this keyword is used, it means you are going to perform subtraction. Now we have to evaluate, we have to decide that what are we going to do. It means that we are going to perform subtraction in this word problems, but before that we will write the statements, and then we will solve our word problem. So here are the statements. The first one is students made lemonade, that is equal to 10 whole 3 by 4 liters, and then lemonade leftover, that is 1 whole 1 by 4 liters. So lemonade they used, so they used 10 whole 3 by 4 minus 1 whole 1 by 4 of lemonade. That is you will subtract these fractions, right? So I have written it here in this way: 10 whole 3 by 4 minus 1 whole 1 by 4. So these are mixed numbers. So how will we perform subtraction? आपको पता है कि हम कैसे करते हैं. हम मिक्स होल नंबर्स को पहले यहाँ पे अलग से लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे होल नंबर है 10 और यहाँ पे क्या है 1, तो इट इज़ 10 माइनस 1 ब्रैकेट में लिख देंगे, दरमियान में प्लस का साइन आ जाएगा, और यहाँ पे हम फ्रैक्शंस को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, डैट इज़ 3 by 4 माइनस 1 by 4. सो यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपने क्या करना है, 10 माइनस 1 डैट इज़ 9, प्लस यहाँ पे क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो आपको कोई भी एफर्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दीज आर लाइक फ्रैक्शंस एंड इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल टू सॉल्व दिस सब्ट्रैक्शन. How will you do it? That is 3 minus 1 by 4. So you will be having 9 plus 3 minus 1 2 by 4. अब यहाँ पे देखें तो ये आपके पास 2 और 4, इनका कॉमन फैक्टर 1 है, और 1 के अलावा इनका कॉमन फैक्टर 2 भी है, यानी ये 2 के टेबल में आ रहे हैं. तो आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पे कैंसिलेशन कर देनी है 2 से. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. सो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, 9 प्लस 1 by 2. अब यहाँ से आप प्लस के साइन को यहाँ से रिमूव कर सकते हैं, और आप इसको मिक्स नंबर के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. इट विल बी 9 whole 1 by 2. सो हाउ विल यू राइट द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट, दैट इज लेमोनेड दे यूज्ड 9 whole 1 by 2 liters. So this is the answer of this question. Now similarly you can perform question number 4 and question number 5 in the same way by using the keywords and following the proper steps. So you can easily see the keywords in these word problems. Here the keyword is and. You know what fractions of candies are red and orange, so the keyword is and here, okay, and here the keyword is all together. So by following these keywords you can easily solve these problems as well.